What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel today. So today I got a little something different going on for y'all. I do have a special guest with me today. We're gonna be doing different eye looks on each other. So I'm gonna do my signature eye look on her. She's gonna do her signature eye look on me. And we're gonna see how it's gonna come out, okay? I'm not promising anything, but let's take it from here, all right? This is Sierra Lopez. She's one of my colleagues that we work together, and she has her own Instagram. I will be linking that down here below, so keep your eye out for that. Now, she already has her base on and her foundation and everything. I don't, because if you guys watch me, you know, I don't like putting my foundation on first. That's just me. Don't judge. Okay, guys, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do this eye right here on her, and I'm gonna show you guys every color that I use, and I'm gonna show you the step-by-step process that I take with it, and we're just gonna go roll with it, okay? We'll just see what we're gonna come out with. That's it. So I'm gonna go ahead and use a Tarte shape tip right here. That's gonna just go right here on her eyelids just to make sure that color pops for me. So I'm just gonna take this flat brush right here that I got on Amazon. That's it right there. And we're gonna use this just to carve out underneath her brow.
You told me you went to college for this, so I'm like gonna watch you like a hawk, so I can learn some stuff too.
Don't watch me like a hawk.
Don't do it. I'm gonna run like a puppy.
I'm gonna go ahead and go with my first transition color. Now, what I like to do personally is I like to get a light color and put it all over from top to bottom, so you have a nice gradient look with the whole look, okay? Today I'm going in with my Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm gonna use this one right here. It's called Hush Hush. Always tap off the excess. And with a very light hand, you want to hold the brush all the way at the end, because you don't want to put a lot of pressure. If you put a lot of pressure, you're going to have a patchy look. Now, if you can see that right there, that's a nice diffused look. That's what we want all over the lid. So my crease color for this look, this Wild Heart right here, and that's from the Urban Decay Born to Run. Now, you guys know this has not been my favorite palette, but these are nice colors. They just have a ton of fallout, so just be careful when you use them, okay?
Oh dear goodness.
That's why I complained about it. Little small baby movements, because I don't want to put a whole ton of the color. I just want a nice background. Now, I don't want it all the way over here in the corner. I just try to concentrate it in the exact area that I want it. Are you serious? You have to be in my room. Why?
It's not your channel. It's my channel.
It's not their channel.
Come on, get out. You know where you're going. Out the door. Let's go. So I don't want to do too much more. I'm just kind of like fading this down a little bit. Now, this is such a cute look. You could just call it a day right here. Like, that could be it. Like, let's just go have ourselves a little party outside. But right now, I'm going to go ahead and add a deeper shade right in here. So this is also my Jaclyn Hill palette. And this one's called Rockstar because my girl's a rock star, so we got to give it to her, okay? And if you weren't a rock star before, you are now.
Oh, thank goodness.
Now we want to concentrate this right here on the outer V. So with the slightest movement. Now don't be afraid to do this really soft, because it's better to do it soft and apply less color than to do it harsh and you have too much color. Same thing with cutting your hair, you know? You don't want to take too much off at one time.
You can't glue it back on, people.
Just concentrating that color right here on the outside. You guys see how that just darkened just the outer corner right there? Okay guys, we're gonna go in with this Tarte palette. We're gonna use this TFW right here. And we're gonna pop that right here on the lid towards the inner part. I had a completely different look in mind, but you know, sometimes when you're doing things and you see how it's coming out,
You change your mind.
now I'm doing it ever so slightly because I just want a little bit of color on there. I don't want to take away from the drama we just made over here. Now you see how as I'm doing this, it's kind of blending the colors nicely together. I'm gonna use a little bit more of that TFW and just pop it right under her eyebrow bone. Just slightly. Now, these are like my signature colors, that's why I'm using them on her. I do love nudes as well, but when I like to be colorful, I go to pinks. And we could make a further out V, but I just think this looks so nice and softened. I just want to leave it like that. So we're going to use this Hush Hush right here, and we're going to put that as the base under the eye first. Now she does have a bit of mascara on, so I'm trying to work around that. She did this to me. This is her fault, not my fault.
Don't make me laugh.
She wants to laugh and ruin the video. Going back into that rock star right here, we're gonna go real tight under her eyelash line. Now what we want to do is kind of meet it up to what we just did.
No, it just tickles really bad.
I don't like to always come all the way through to the inner corner. I like to keep that inner corner as bright as possible. I kind of just use the eyelashes as my reference point. So where your eyelashes are the thickest, I just kind of stay right there. I am going to just smoke it out a little bit under there just to kind of pull down the color a little bit, but we don't want to do it too much because that's going to be a little crazy, you know? We don't want to go crazy. So we're just softening it is what we're doing. Don't cry now because it's going to mess it all up.
I know. I'm just like back in. I'm good at holding in my emotions.
Hold it in. Hold it in, girl. Cry when you go outside. Don't cry.
I
I can't work under these conditions.
I like it a lot. I like that you kept it like, you blended it so perfectly to where like the lid still has its moment.
I know,
but then
see?
the color's just there.
I'm telling you.
Professional.
So my favorite thing is to go with my Ofra, and that's my favorite highlighter right now at the moment. Till I find a better one, you know, I give everybody their chance. So I just use my Jaclyn Hill brush right here, and I use this to pop this bad boy right there. Sometimes I drag a tiny bit in. Let's do a little bit of highlight right here.
Okay, Mom.
I like it. I like up and close and personal. That's what beauty's about. Look at this. Look at this, people. Just look at this. Close your eye. Nice. You know what? We can amp it up with a little bit more shimmer.
Why not? You know, let's do it.
Oh, we need to add some more shimmer. So we're gonna go in with this bling bling right here. Right, there you go. Bling it out, girl. See, she's ready for it. She's ready. Now, as you can see, this is not a bam in your face look. This is more of a nice subtle gradient look. You could take this look so many different ways. I was gonna put some eyeliner on her because that's my thing. I love to do a 2-wing eyeliner, but I think this looks so pretty just like that.
I love it.
Look what a little bit of shimmer does. Man, look at that. That lid just pops now. All right, guys, so I'm gonna kind of just straighten this a little bit, and we're gonna come right back, and she's gonna do my eye. Okay, guys, so we're back, and now it's my turn to sit in the hot seat, and she's gonna have at it, so I'm gonna let her take it away, okay?
My everyday makeup look, believe it or not, is a sunset smoky eye. So I use a lot of pink, a lot of orange, some purple, some blue when I'm feeling it. So we're gonna go right in and start with that. I'm gonna add a hot pink color into her crease. I'm gonna use this brush. It's just a nice little packing brush.
I don't have any eye primer on or anything, just so you know.
Oh, okay. First, we're gonna use her Tarte Shape Tape to prime the lid.
I ain't helping her. She's gonna do this by herself.
So we're just going to prime the eye. They look good. They look like they're gonna need to be carved. Why your eyebrows look perfect? Teach me your ways.
Whatever, it's just hair. It's just, that's where it lays.
I'm gonna go in with my Pure Festival palette. Got this one in my BoxyCharms. Hot pink color right here. It's called Wild Child. This, I believe, is a pressed pigment, so you kind of have to pat the brush in there rather than brush it around. We're gonna tap off the excess.
Just put it in my face.
And we're just gonna start patting that into the crease. Sometimes some colors work better pressing them into the eye and patting them than just kind of rubbing them around. Grab a little bit more product and start to intensify. It's okay to bring down because I'm going to do a cut crease. So try to focus it on the crease as much as possible. So next I'm going to take an orange color. So I'm going to use this one right here from my James Charles Mini palette. And we're going to use a nice fluffy blending brush. And we're just going to start blending it in. I like to use circular motions. For me, that helps me blend and just makes the look really, really nice. So if it takes a while, just stay patient and keep building and blending because it will pay off in the end. Next, we're going to take a bit of this tannish yellow with the same brush and this yellow, and we're going to very, very, very lightly put that right above the orange, but blend into her brow bone. And you can bring the product down into the pink as well. The more blending, the better the look will get. Next, we're going to take a little bit of this Free Spirit color. It's a nice little highlight. And we're going to put that right under the brow, just so when her eye catches the light, it has that extra pop. And then that's it for above the crease.
Okay guys, sorry I had to pause you real quick because it's getting a little dark outside, you know, we can't really see what we're doing.
Just let there be light.
Now that we're caught up, I'm gonna focus a purple color on the outer V. So I'm probably gonna dip into this one right here. This Jaclyn Hill brush. This one right here. Just to help me get in there. I'm using small circular motions. We're gonna start applying the product. Remember, you can always start light and then build. It's better to build than to put a lot on at first. We don't want to bring it too close to the inner part of the eye. Go ahead, open this much. No, it's easy. I'm parched. We're going to take her Tarte Shape Tape. I'm going to cut her crease. A little flat brush. We're going to add some shimmer. We're going to add, I think this one's called Face. So we have orange and purple together, but we're going to blend them together with pink. And the reason why I start with orange first is because for me, it's a lot easier to blend out this pink than it is to blend out the orange. Put it in between the orange and the pink to kind of help it blend. Using a very light hand. You don't want to go too hard, especially on your eye makeup, just because it causes aging faster. Such a small brush, but it's so good. And we're gonna use this for the inner corner of her eye. So we're gonna take a little bit of yellow. I don't know what, I think this one's called B. Again, I don't know. It's called B. We're gonna go in under the lower lash line with some purple and some pink and brighten it up a little bit. But this is the main part. If you wanted to go just like this, go clubbing, you could. If you want
Broken dance.
Yeah, get it. So we're gonna take this dark purple. I don't even know what this one's called. I ain't gonna try with this one. You know, are you not scared? Yeah, beautiful lashes.
Oh, thank you. She can come over anytime she wants. Just loaded with compliments.
This one I know for sure is called Skip, and we're gonna take a little bit of Skip. Now I will say that this is not a promo or a sponsor, but the James Charles palette does not have a lot of fallout. It's a very good palette, and the colors are pressed in there and they don't go anywhere. And last but not least, we're gonna take, I don't know what this is called, right here, and we're gonna pop that in the inner corner of her eye. And this is the finished look. It was mostly purple, pink, orange, and yellow. So if you have those 4 colors, you're set, and just blend and blend and blend till you can't anymore. And I'm gonna let her do eyeliner, mascara, whatever else she wants to do. But that's it for the eyeshadow.
So you see, I think we're looking good. I think we should be going out somewhere. We gotta plan a date now because we can't waste this. You know,
turning 21 soon, so.
21 soon. Okay guys, so we're just gonna show you the finished look. I went ahead and did a slight little double wing on her right here. That's my signature look that I always do. And I just thought, you know, I needed to complete it. You know what I mean? So I went ahead and did that on there. I didn't touch this side of her face because she's doing this tutorial for someone else. And I did go ahead and do the little double wing on my eyeshadow as well. This is the finished product right here. I will show you guys how the whole look comes out when I finish my foundation and everything. We're gonna say bye to Sierra for today. I will, like I said, link her Instagram down below, and hopefully she'll come back and we'll do something else another time. And I'm gonna finish up my look and come right back, okay?
Bye.